In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send plain text email on Mailchimp. If you're looking for a simple, straightforward way to communicate with your audience, plain text emails are an excellent choice. They're quick to set up, easy to read, and perfect for when you want to focus solely on your message without the distraction of fancy layouts or images. Whether you're reaching out to a small group of subscribers or a larger audience, this step-by-step guide will help you craft and send your email efficiently. Let's dive right in so you can get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. This is your starting point for creating any type of email campaign. Once you're logged in, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click on that. This button is where you'll access all the tools needed to build your email. After clicking Create, you'll be presented with several options. From these, select the one labeled Email. This tells Mailchimp you want to start a new email campaign. Next, you'll need to choose the type of campaign you want to send. For today's purpose, we're focusing on sending a regular email, so select the Regular option. This is the standard campaign type and works perfectly for plain text emails. Now it's time to name your campaign. This internal name is for your reference only, so make it something clear and specific to help you identify the campaign later. For example, you could name it something like Weekly Newsletter October or Product Launch Follow-up. Once you've entered your campaign name, click the Begin button to move to the next step. At this stage, you'll select the audience or list of recipients for your email. Mailchimp allows you to manage different lists, so make sure you pick the one that matches the group you want to reach. This could be your main subscriber list, a segment of highly engaged users, or any specific group you've created in your account. Next, it's time to set up the From details. This includes the name and email address your recipients will see when they get your email. Be sure to use a name and address that your audience will recognize to avoid confusion or your email being marked as spam. For instance, if you're representing a business, use the business name and a professional email address. With that done, move on to the subject line. This is the first thing your recipients will see in their inbox, so make it clear and engaging. Keep it relevant to your message and avoid overly promotional language. A good subject line grabs attention but still feels natural and personal. Now, let's add your content. In the content section, you'll see various design options. But for this tutorial, we're focusing on plain text. Select the plain text option. This ensures your email is free of any formatting, images, or design elements. Just simple text. Once you're in the plain text editor, you can either type your message directly or paste it from another source. Take a moment to review your message and make sure it's clear, error-free, and exactly how you want it. When you're satisfied with your content, click the Save and Exit button. This saves your work and brings you back to the main campaign screen. From here, you have two options. You can send the email immediately or schedule it for later. If you're ready to send it now, simply click the Send button. If you'd prefer to send it at a specific time, choose the Schedule option and pick the date and time you want your email to go out. And there you have it. You've successfully created and sent a plain text email using Mailchimp. It's a simple and effective way to communicate with your audience while keeping things clean and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.